Okay, number 4 here. This is Power Standard 7.1. This was just the big one, filling out all the information from the parabola on the back side. Okay, the x-intercepts, y-intercept, domain, range, concavity, all that stuff. Okay, so number 1 is just kind of testing your vocab knowledge. All right, you do not have to do C and D. All right, just practice your vocab knowledge with number 1. Okay, but number 2, I'll do one and then I'll let you guys practice with the other one. Remember, it's in a good order that you can figure out. It's probably the easiest. It's in the order of easy to kind of harder. All right. So concavity. Remember, it's the direction that the graph goes. Look for the arrows. So this one's up, and then if it's up, it's got a minimum. All right. And then what is that minimum? It's the vertex. All right. So if you're going from I'll put a dot at the origin. This is the origin, the green dot. So go from the origin. Where does that go? It goes left 4 and down 9. So it's -4 and -9. All right. Let me get back to red. -4, -9. Now x-intercepts. Remember, it crosses. Where's across the x line? Okay, it crosses here and here, which is at -1, 0, and -7, 0. Remember, the x goes first, okay? And 0 is in the y spot because we're not going up or down. Y-intercept, 0 is in the x spot because we're not going up left or right. This is the x line. The y line. Okay, and here's your y-intercept. Where does it cross that line? 0, 7, up 7. Okay, axis symmetry is just the x value of the vertex. So x equals -4. If you want to, you can draw that dotted line, and you'll see it cuts right through that vertex, right on x equals -4. Okay, remember domain. Guys, you're killing me on this. Domain is always -infinity to infinity. Okay, domain, always. I know you're sick of that. Okay, range deals with the y values. So this is x values, always -infinity to infinity, always. And then this is y values. Okay, so we have to go from bottom to top. So starting from the bottom, looking at the y line, okay, where does the graph start? It starts way down here at -9, and as you go up, the arrows point up, so it goes on forever, so it is positive infinity, okay? So do number 3, and then fix your test, submit that on the assignment, okay?